Hey guys, Chris from Parkside Kia here. So today we're going to be checking out how to set up your Bluetooth on the LXS K5. So first what we're going to do is go to setup on our infotainment screen. We're going to hit device connections, then hit Bluetooth connections. Then we're going to select add new, touch OK.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device,
Then you'll go to settings on your phone with Android or an Apple phone. Then you'll select Bluetooth. We'll scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll select Kia Motors. That's going to pop up on the screen, a passcode to pair. Also on your phone, you'll select pair, allow your contacts to sync, and then there we have it. It's connecting your Bluetooth device, so you'll be able to use your voice recognition, play music over Bluetooth, and there you have it.